It's Tuesday. Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesday. So, what is 2-Minute Tuesday, you might ask? Basically, this is a new series that I will start from this week, which means I will post a video on every single Tuesday. Let's not say every Tuesday, but on Tuesday. And it will be around 2 to 5 minutes, might be more or a little bit less, it depends. But yeah, it is 2-Minute Tuesday, so approximately 2 minutes. And this is not a brand new idea, this is, as always, from Peter Mckinnon, the man over here. Or I will put his thing down in the description. And as you can see, it will be in English, not always, because I might hang out with someone else that we will talk in Chinese, but basically it will be in English. I know my English isn't that great, but I will try my best. So you should try your best. Come on, try it, okay? The original plan is 2-Minute Tuesday will be a bonus video. Woo! Who doesn't like bonus video? Me, because I have to edit it, right? So this is the original plan, but now it is getting close to final exam here in Sweden, or at least for my course. So I don't have that much free time to edit 2 videos every week. So it will depend what I want to do. It might be a 2-Minute Tuesday video or like the normal one in Chinese one that I will post Friday or weekends, like what I have done in the past few weeks. Yeah, so this is the first episode of 2-Minute Tuesday. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to check Peter Mckinnon over here or check my previous video. And yeah, I will see you in the next time. Peace.